Hello everyone, my name is Justice from Just Auto Channel, and I am here live at Park Place Limited, where they sell some super luxury exotic cars. And I will be taking you around to show you some of the cars that they have here today, that you can see these cars for yourself. Look, awesome cars. That is a 2018 Dodge Ram 3500. That is custom built for SEMA. Look at that. Now this is how tall the truck is. Now with the camera you will think that I am taller than this truck, but if I move backward a little bit, you can see how tall this truck is. Let me get close for you. Look at how tall this truck is. This is unbelievable. Yep. So my head is right there. The truck is taller, like this part. The window is taller than my head. Unbelievable. Now you have to build a special garage for this truck alone. Look at how massive those tires are. Isn't this amazing? Coolest truck ever. Now I'm going to be putting towards the end of this video, I'm going to put some information about the engine, and like I said, this can tow 30,000 pounds. I'll put information about the engine so that you can read the information yourself and learn about this truck. Now, this truck, from what I have seen, is less than 100,000. To get this beast that is here like this, you pay less than 100,000. Now, you are not gonna find this truck anywhere else. Even if you find it, they might be able to build this replica for you, but this is a special truck. Now, if you know about SEMA, SEMA is a show that is held annually, like I said, in Las Vegas, where like companies that produces like special parts for car and who focuses on building custom trucks, cars go to showcase what they can do. So like this is a special truck, and look at these massive Toyo tires. These are the biggest Toyo tires that I have seen. Yeah, so I want you to tell me what you think about this truck. Look at these massive tires. Now, this truck can tow 30,000 pounds, and it's a 2018 Ram 3500. Look at this. Got these massive tires. And I think this is one of the coolest trucks ever. And it has I think those airbag brakes, airbag suspension. And here is the exhaust. The exhaust is bigger than my phone. And this is the back of the truck. Look at these lights. So everything about this truck is custom made. Even the tow hitch here, everything here. Fox chucks. And look at this. I don't even know what that is, but look at these speakers. Look at all the subwoofers here. Can you see all that? Look at this running board. I wonder how I can get into this truck. Look at that. Now this is that's the name of the company that built this truck, is Kelderman Air Suspension System. And they are actually selling this truck. Look at this tire, let's see. It says American Force of Fox suspension. Okay, so if you want to buy this truck right now, you can come to Bellevue. Come to Park Place, Bellevue, and you can buy this truck. And they also have this on their system, like on their website. You can find the information about this truck. Look at that. Now, this is the biggest truck I have seen. Let me see how big. Now these are all Toyo tires, open country. Oh my goodness, I love Toyo tires. The tires, I'm almost as tall. They're above my waist. Did you see that? So you open this door and the running board will automatically come out. So you shut it and they're going. How cool is that? Open this and they come out again. Now this is, like I said, this is a 2018 Ram 3500 SEMA Custom. So this truck was specially built for SEMA, that is held annually in Las Vegas. And I'm planning to go to SEMA this year if it holds. Now tell me, what do you think about this truck? Look at these beautiful LED lights. So I came here actually because of this truck. I wanted to see this truck because it is unbelievable how tall this truck is. Like, the hood is taller than me. Let me turn the camera around.